The Prime Minister's interview to News 18 has created ripples. Like I said, the Congress was the first to take strong note of the Prime Minister's comments on how he said that he doesn't believe in the Hindu-Muslim narrative. Jairam Ramesh of the Congress says after the first two phases of elections, it was clear that the Prime Minister was nervous and frustrated because his language emphasized polarization. Listen in.
यानी कि कांग्रेस पार्टी को और इंडिया जनबंधन के पार्टियों को, जिसमें आरजेडी भी शामिल है, इंडिया जनबंधन के पार्टियों को स्पष्ट और निर्णायक जनादेश अभी मिलना तय हो गया। अभी 3 चरण और बाकी हैं। इससे अंतिम नतीजे पर कोई असर पड़ने वाला नहीं है, क्योंकि 2 चरण के बाद ही ये बिल्कुल स्पष्ट हो गया था कि आज के प्रधानमंत्री निवर्तमान प्रधानमंत्री आउटगोइंग प्रधानमंत्री हैं। 19 तारीख के बाद उनकी भाषा में बदलाव आया।
My colleague Pallavi joins us with more. Pallavi, this election, like any other, is also a war of narratives, and the Congress has decided to use this particular narrative against the BJP, citing the Prime Minister's exclusive to Network 18. The Congress says the BJP started sensing defeat already, is why the Prime Minister is being forced to resort to this kind of commentary.
Yes, I mean, that's the reason why the opposition party is never ever going to be kind of impressed by the words of the PM, because the whole fulcrum of the opposition party's narrative has been precisely this, that this is a government which is divisive in nature, which actually makes divide amongst people on religious grounds. Divide among people as far as religious grounds are concerned. And, today if he's talking about not making a difference between the Hindus or the Muslims, he should have walked the talk. His leaders make public statements where they target the minority community. But if you look at the BJP's counter to it, the BJP's counter to this is very simple, and that is that, they want to create a panic, they want to create a sense that there is dictatorship in the country, because that's what the politics is all about, polarization and divisive in nature.
Absolutely, and the BJP firmly standing by it, because JP Nadda, the BJP national president, in his reply to the Election Commission also said that the Prime Minister said nothing wrong during his election campaigns. In fact, action should be taken against the Congress for abusing Sanatan Dharma. Many thanks, Pallavi, for putting that in perspective for us. Heading into a quick commercial break with that. We'll be right back with lots more on the other side.